Hello, in this video we will be discussing how to make After Effects run faster, optimize RAM reserved for other applications. You need to tell After Effects how much RAM it should reserve for other applications. In After Effects, navigate to Edit Preferences, Memory and Performance. From there, you can set the RAM reserved for other applications. In most cases, you can set this to the minimum value After Effects allows, usually around 10% of your total RAM. Turn on cache frames when idle. Another easy way to speed up renders is to turn on cache frames when idle. This setting allows After Effects to automatically render your compositions when After Effects is left idle. Like when you step out for a coffee, navigate to Composition Preview Cache Frames when idle to enable this. However, to gain the actual render benefits of this, when you leave After Effects idle, make sure you set the preview resolution of the composition window to full, since this is the resolution After Effects will ultimately render at. So, if you have some of those frames already cached, the final render will be faster. Use GPU acceleration. Navigate to File Project Settings. You'll then see the Video Rendering and Effects tab. Set it to the option that displays GPU acceleration in the name. Many effects in After Effects utilize GPU acceleration, which will speed up your render times. Make sure that GPU acceleration is turned on in your After Effects project settings. Thanks for watching.